Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to 2024. We're super excited. We definitely have the gardening blues, but this soil here is still workable. It's cold, but it's still workable. And today we're going to be planting what's called the Jostaberry. It's a cross between a currant and a gooseberry. It's supposed to offer more supreme sweetness. So we're gonna get that done today. Thank you to Sean up in New York for sending it our way. He's at Edible Acres. I'll link it down below. But if you want to learn more, follow us along, hit that subscribe button, and we're going to show you just how we do this. Jostaberries are fast-growing, long-lived ribes. They thrive in zones 3 through 8 and can survive -40 Fahrenheit conditions. Their fruit is sweet and luscious. They prefer well-drained, slightly acidic soil with high organic content. Plant them about 6 feet apart and they will grow 6 feet high and wide. They have a built-in resistance and immunity to diseases, unlike most berry plants. First thing we're gonna do is clear the area. We got a lot of brush down in here. We're gonna make some room and get rid of this vegetation down in this area. We are back. It is about 4 days later. There was some heavy rains. We had to stop. We did get everything cleared off and got all the brush removed, and we are ready for the planting. So we're gonna start today with just a little bit of amendment, and only because we have really heavy clay soil. So we're going to kind of improve that soil a little bit, and we also need to make it just a tad acidic. So as it relates to amending the soil, we're doing this again primarily because it's very heavy clay. Now we can get away from doing that by building our soil upwards and using lots of wood chips and organic material, but we had this stuff lying around, so we're going to help get this amended and give it a better start. We're going to be using just some regular garden soil, some compost, peat moss, and then we're going to add some soil acidifier in there. Got our soil mixed together and we've got it all ready to go. So the next thing we're going to do is dig our holes with this power planter. We definitely don't need this, but we're going to use it because we have it and it's fun to use. That's a nice little hole right there. It's just the stuff that we mixed in earlier with the garden soil, the compost, the acidifier, and the peat moss. We did mix it in with a little bit of the native soil, and now it's ready to plant. There's about 10 to 15 of these dormant cuttings that we got from Sean in New York. They're about 5 to 6 inches long. You can plant them any time of the year as long as you can keep it moist and as long as the soil is workable. The important thing about planting these are making sure that these shoots are going to be upward. So you can see, I can tell which direction they are because this little node right here is pointing upward. This one's a little outward. So we're gonna have to plant this stuff into the ground. We were soaking it for about an hour or two prior just to help it out. Probably didn't need it because it is dormant, but we wanted to make sure that we have success. So we're ready to get these things going.